Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. To change your device's wallpaper, right-click any empty space of your desktop, then select Set Wallpaper and Style, then go to Wallpaper menu, and here you can create your own wallpaper using Google AI. You can also choose a theme using Google AI. You can use the interactive wallpaper that will change depending on on the time of the day. You can also choose one of the available wallpaper sets, like your images, cityscapes, landscapes, etc. If you want to select your downloaded photo as a wallpaper, you have to go to Google Photos right here, and then find a photo from your Google library and select it. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.